Well, forge bonding is safe, very simply put, because it generates a extremely small amount of thermal energy compared to fusion welding technologies such as arc welding. Um, the amount of thermal energy that forge bonding generates on, say, the inside of a tank shell or the bottom side of a tank roof is orders of magnitude smaller than with arc welding. Temperatures are dramatically lower. The duration of time that the product in the tank is exposed to the elevated temperatures is dramatically lowered. And so the amount of thermal energy that goes into the process is going to be heavily correlated to the safety of the process. In addition, friction stud welding or forge bonding does not create any sparks or flames. There's no molten metal created. It's a process that generates very small amount of thermal energy, free of sparks and flames, and can be performed even in flammable and hazardous environments. So it's just by its nature, it's far safer than the fusion welding technologies.